Baby, Momo. Oh, why are you showing me your back? Please face me. Come over. Jump here. Come over. Oh, you are hungry. Come here. Here is your food. Oh, you guys, sometimes I sneeze. What are you guys doing? Are you guys gonna destroy that cloth? Your mama is not going to spare you. She will punish you. Stop destroying your mama's clothes. Momos. Goldie is about to make an attack. Goldie is preparing for an attack. She is standing in such a position from where she might attack a corner of that cloth which is hanging in the air. Momo?
What do you want, Momo?
Because Mishka is not eating by herself, I had to feed her by my hand, because here are those chunks which are remained from her plate, and she has abandoned those chunks and not eating the entire portion of the food which I have offered her. Mishka, you're supposed to eat, baby. Don't avoid your food. Okay, eat it. I have to feed her by my hand because she is not eating by herself. She is avoiding or abandoning the food. Eat it, baby. Okay, here is the new fresh piece. Okay, eat this. You are just slurping the water out of it. Eat those chunks, baby. Those chunks are important. How are you gonna complete your protein quota? Protein is essential for your body. You are a cat. You are supposed to eat meat. You are not a vegetarian animal. Goldie chilling in the balcony along with Momo. Ekhan wasalama. Goldie, baby. Goldie chilling in the balcony in the sunny afternoon. Here is Momo, playing with the slippers and sandals which we have kept here from drying up. We recently washed them. Cannot say anything about their behavior. When will they get triggered and when they start attacking each other? That is something very unpredictable. While it is pouring down heavily, and Momo is hunting a pigeon which is sitting in the at the edge of one of the walls in our society. It's raining heavily. It's raining heavily out there. You can hear the sound of rain. Momo is busy in staring at that pigeon. Meow. Oh. We are trying hard to unite Mishka and Goldie, but we are failing miserably. Meow.